Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this dessert hack on Just Impress. So I'll be holding a cake, a pie, and a milkshake. So we are going to get this apple first. I'm going to color it later, but I'm just going to toggle to the right arm. Then I'm going to get the crown. And then for this one, you're going to position it at 0.69. Y at 0.002, and then Z at 0.33. Oh, sorry, it's actually 0.42. Rotate the x-axis at 0.27, and then scale it all the way to 0.14. Then I'm going to grab, hold on, which flower is it? Is that this one? Let me check. Okay, I'm guessing it's this one. I'm going to position it at 0.66. And then Y at 0.33. And then Z at... Oh, sorry. Actually, the rotation is... Oh, I'm doing position, sorry. 0.66. And then 0.33. And then 0.12. And then scale it all the way to 0.16. It's looking weird right now, but we just need the base of the cake, which is this top hat. So we're going to position that at 0.70. And then 0.008 for the Y. And then 0.19. And then scale it all the way to 0.35. And then we just need one more, which is this headband over here. Position it at 0.69. Hello. There we go. 0.27. Z 0.25. And rotate the X to 0 and scale it to 0.40. Now we color. You can color it to whatever color you want, of course, for it. I'm just going to do maybe like a strawberries and cream kind of thing. I'll add like foil. And then for the cake, this is the cake. I'm going to color it like this peachy cake color maybe in leather. And then I'm going to add white to that. And I'm just going to add some more fun decorations to it. I'm just going to color it red, and then get this one. Gonna color that red as well in glitter. Okay, then the apple 2 in red and glitter. And then for the topping, I think I'm just going to do red again. Okay, and that's our first cake done. It does kind of cover your face a little bit. Like, I'm just going to be honest right now. So that's the first cake. The second cake I'll be doing is the pie, which we will need the green apple again. Like, I'm just going to use maybe this one. I don't know. Let's see how that goes. I'm just going to grab this one. I'm trying to like make a cute pie with this pattern. Position the X to 0.68. The Y to 0. Z 0.26. Oop. Rotate it at 0.5. Then 0.74. Z at 0.49. Scale the same. Then we're going to grab this one. Just going to color that the same as well right now. Position the X at 0.66, Y at 0.20, Z at 0.27, and then rotate the X at 0, and then the Z at 0.42, and the scale is the same. Let me just grab this apple and color that the same as well. Then for the kind of like frosting, grab the fur hat, position the X at 0.70, the Y at 0.24, the Z at 0.16, and scale it all the way to 0.01. Next, I guess is like for the cherry, grab this. I'm just going to color it like a green and red maybe. And then I'm going to position the X at 0.92, the Y at 0.55, Z at 0.10, whoops, rotate it at 0.33, Y at 1, Z at 0. And that is for the cutesy cherry pie. If you want to use another pattern, you can use the like lace pattern. Here I'll show you what you can also use if you don't like this one. Where is it? You can use this instead. Maybe this one's like a more pie color, like that, but it's totally up to you. And then for the milkshake, this is the easiest. You're just going to grab this one. I'm just going to color it pink and white for like the whipped cream and the color of the milkshake. Grab the ice cream and color the top to the whipped cream color and the bottom the color of your cup. I'm just going to kind of move it a little bit to the left here, and I'm just going to, oops. Well, I do need to move it down. I don't know why it's not moving down. Then for the cherry, I just did this adjustment. So grab the pearl earrings, color it red. For the X, position it at 0.55, Y 0.14, Z 0.34. Rotate the X at 0.5, Y at 0, Z at 0. Scale it to 0.74. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!